आगे बढ़ लेते हैं। एक कहावत तो आपने जरूर सुनी होगी, उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे। ये बात दिल्ली के शासन और प्रशासन पर सटीक बैठती है। ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में राउस आईएएस कोचिंग सेंटर में जो कुछ भी हुआ, दिल्ली सरकार और एमसीडी ने अपनी कमी को छिपाते हुए एसयूवी कार ड्राइवर को बलि का बकरा बनाया। अब इसे सिस्टम की कमी कहा जाए या कुछ और, दिल्ली पुलिस 3 छात्रों की मौत का जिम्मेदार एसयूवी कार के ड्राइवर को मान रही है। ड्राइवर मनोज कथुरिया का आरोप है कि वो कोचिंग के सामने पानी से भरी सड़क पर कार चला रहा था। 50 साल के मनोज ने कहा कि वो 2 लोगों को मेट्रो स्टेशन तक छोड़ने जा रहे थे, तभी कोचिंग सेंटर के सामने से वो गुजरे। न तो वो तेजी से गाड़ी चला रहे थे और न ही लापरवाही से, लेकिन फिर भी उन्हें गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Near this particular institute, and it was blamed by the Delhi police that because of the impact of the vehicle's movement, the water flew inside. But it is a known fact that not even an inch of the cart, which was right next to this SUV, moved a bit. We are joined by Shima. Shima, what do you have to say about the kind of action which has been taken against your husband? Because for normal individual, whosoever we are talking to, it is totally illogical for them.
I think it's an unlawful arrest. He was an innocent bystander just going through a waterlogged road, what anybody would have done, trying to get to a safe place. If a car goes through water, it's just the law of physics that water will get displaced. And he was not speeding by any standards. His car was moving on the first gear. He was trying to drop a couple of people who were stuck in the rain to a safe space. That is, he was taking them to the Karol Bagh metro station so that they could get home safely. And from there, he was driving back home. And
police is saying that the special PP in the court said that he was doing masti khori. Do you think a person going back home is a masti khori?
Absolutely not.
Why this character assassination?
It was ridiculous. So they're just doing a character assassination. They would know best why they're doing a character assassination of an innocent, law-abiding citizen who has done nothing wrong, but by trying to get to a safe place.
How do you feel when police is saying that your husband is responsible for death of 3 innocent lives?
I know he's not responsible, so I don't. People say a lot of things. I don't have to believe it. I don't have to. I believe 100% he's not responsible, and I trust the judiciary, and the real culprits will soon be brought to justice, and my husband will come back home soon.
There was waterlogging. There was no stop sign signal from the local authorities, and neither police had also placed barricade. So how do you think a person will realize that actually he has to go or not?
So my husband got into a situation, had he known that there's water to that level, he wouldn't have driven his car on that road. He got into a situation thinking he saw a gentleman walking and the water was till his calves, and he thought it's okay to drive a car. I mean, Delhi, all roads are like that. Most roads are like that in the monsoon. And the moment he turned, he realized that the water came up to the bonnet of his car. And in a situation like that, anybody who drives knows you cannot back the car. You only have to move forward. And that's what he did.